Hi, how you doing, everyone? Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, why don't you like and subscribe already? If you are here and you've been on the channel for a bit, thanks for sticking around. I actually checked because I've actually just recently refreshed at the channel, actually, and do you know what? It's been 4 years since I originally set up the channel, but I've only been very sporadic in putting content on, but that is through my own health reasons. I've been away, really, but back I am, and on my newly refreshed page I'm looking to upload to the channel every Monday and Thursday as a regular thing, and exclusives like the one that you're watching right now every Saturday. Not every Saturday, but on Saturdays, let's put it that way, on Saturdays. If you find that I'm a bit edgy right now, it's quite simply because I haven't done this for so long. I feel a bit on I do I feel a bit on edge. I haven't done this for years. It feels like for years, probably is for years, any voiceover or anything like that. So anyway, yeah, I'm back, and I hope you can stick around and enjoy the channel. You might have checked out the title already for this, because I thought, well, if I'm going to come back, well, it's got to be not so much with a bang, but it's got to be something good. It's got to be something well worth it, you know. So I thought I'd tackle 3i Atlas, and well, as you're going to find out, it's been tackled in abundance by social media creators already. It's been NASA, scientists, Harvard professors, everything. Everybody's seemingly lending their viewpoints to it as well. So we're going to crack on, and at the end of it, see what you think of my findings. This is 3i Atlas. It was discovered by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS station, at Rio Hurtado, Chile on the 1st of July 2025. When it was discovered, it was entering the inner solar system at a distance of 420 million miles from the Sun. Oumuamua was the first confirmed interstellar object observed passing through our solar system in 2017, discovered by Canadian astronomer Robert Weirich. Its most notable characteristics being the cigar-like shape of the comet as it went through our solar system. Comet 2I Borisov was discovered by amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov in August 2019. It is the first observed interstellar comet, meaning it came from outside our solar system. The rogue comet passed through our solar system on a hyperbolic orbit, making it unlikely to return. Borisov is significant as the second interstellar object ever tracked following Oumuamua, and it provided valuable data for scientists studying the chemical composition of objects from other star systems. On the screen right now, you can see all three interstellar objects which have passed through our solar system or are passing through our solar system. All of them have a prefix of 1i or 2i, or in the case of Atlas, it's 3i Atlas, because it's the third interstellar object that is passing through our very own solar system. You're about to see some views of the Atlas, the 3i Atlas, from the Hubble Space Telescope and the Gemini South Observatory as well. And while you're checking those views out of the 3i Atlas, tell me something. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the 3i Atlas, and indeed these interstellar objects that are coming from different solar systems. Are they quite simply that? It's just space rock that have literally catapulted out of their solar system and are actually coming through our solar system and are being almost like catapulted back out into space. If you search 3i Atlas up on Google and you go onto YouTube and put it in YouTube in their search engine, it's amazing how many people are posting about 3i Atlas. Absolutely amazing. But where did it begin, and why is it so prevalent? So on the 16th of July this year, astrophysicist Avi Loeb and other researchers of the Initiative of Interstellar Studies published a paper speculating that 3i Atlas could be extraterrestrial spacecraft because they believed the object had anomalous characteristics. Now, from then on, the internet went viral with anything to do with 3i Atlas. This final one coming up here, which I found just on the first page, and that's just on YouTube. But it's interesting. Here's Oumuamua and the trajectory of Oumuamua. Now this is where it gets quite interesting from my point of view. I think it's really interesting, the trajectory of Oumuamua. This is the trajectory of Borisov, and I'm going to give you the trajectory or the projected trajectory of 3i Atlas as well. And you'll see how familiar they all are. But first, here you can see I've given these two graphics back to back so you can see how they come in. It's like these interstellar objects, they come in from another solar system and they literally get catapulted. Once they reach perihelion, they get catapulted back out. And the blue streak is exactly the same. That's 3i Atlas that you can see. And that's the trajectory of 3i Atlas, which is really quite similar to the others as well. And it is interesting to note how similar all three of them are, just to show you as well. And just like I'm putting on the screen, the perihelion is the closest the object is to the sun, our star, the sun, and then it's almost as if it gets catapulted straight back out. Now NASA have got their own page on it, they've got tons of stuff on it, but this I found very fascinating. Eyes on the solar system. Now this, as you can see, is Mars and Mars's orbit, which is just going off the screen just about now. And what you can see is the projected path of 3i Atlas, which is just about to go across Mars's orbit. And what you'll find is that around October, early October this year, that's when it's going to be probably the closest of any of our planets. And so what the scientists are looking to do is see if they can get a better view of 3i Atlas from Mars. So that's going to be interesting come October, and I'll give you an update come October as well. But it isn't just then. We're going to move slightly ahead to next year, and you'll see in this projected kind of image is for Jupiter and the Juno probe, which is around Jupiter in March, I do believe, around March 2026. It's another kind of a flyby of 3i Atlas, and again scientists will be able to get an idea of the composition and better idea of what it's like as well. So that's going to be another interesting side of 3i Atlas as well. So that's going to be interesting in October this year and March next year. So that's all to come. And I'll let you know. I'll keep you updated on that as well. But while I was on the Eyes of the Solar System page, I decided to have a little bit of a play. And so where 3i Atlas was when I was checking this out, I put in relation to Earth how many millions of miles away it was. So it's like 3i Atlas in relation to Earth, and the results are on the screen, as you can see. And then I thought, well, what's it going to be? The closest it's going to be to Mars. So I put in Mars, and currently the results are on the screen, as you can see. And what I did then for a third and final one, the other planet which is going to be close to 3i Atlas, is going to be Jupiter. So I put that in as well. And this is currently where it's at, which is really quite interesting on an orbital plane. But I think it's really quite interesting. These comets are coming through our solar system on a hyperbolic orbit, and they're not in any traditional orbit at all. But on top of that, R2 Swan, another comet, is making its rounds all around in our solar system, and this is its path, as you've just seen. So that's another interesting side to everything else. For 3i Atlas, you can see that R2 Swan, the comet R2 Swan, is also there as well, to get the viral hungry people talking about that as well, which they are, I may add, especially on YouTube. But what does that mean? What does that mean to everybody on YouTube? What does that mean to everybody on the planet and who are looking into this as well? Is it alien life? Is it just a comet? Well, even Avi Loeb, who even said in his paper, maybe it's an alien spacecraft. What a lot of people aren't saying is that actually in his paper, he also said it's most probably comet, and it isn't any like alien spacecraft at all. And he said it's just a bit of fun. And if you actually look at his paper and you actually read into it, you can actually see that even though he's kind of stirred it up, he's actually saying in his paper as well that what you're seeing right now on the screen is most probably a comet, which has come from another solar system. And that is probably the most simplest explanation, which I know it's not fantastical, but still it is really fascinating to see. Well, I really do hope you liked this video. I really do hope you liked it a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep looking for Mondays and Thursdays uploads and more updates indeed for 3i Atlas, because this journey is certainly not over yet. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you on the next one.